In this problem, we will solve this equation for x. And the first thing we will do is we will check the domain of our expression. So the first thing here is we have x minus 1 under the square root. So we must have x minus 1 non-negative number. Of course, this means that x must be greater or equal to 1. And the second thing is we have also this expression here under the square root. So we must also have x minus 2 square root of x minus 1 must be non-negative number. But this one, in a moment, we will see that we don't need to worry about. So let's just start. So here we have square root of, and here we will try to create a square. So here we have x, and we create x minus 1 minus 2 square root of x minus 1, and this minus 1 here, we add it here at the end, plus 1 is equal to 1. And of course, here we have square root of, here we have square root of x minus 1 squared, which is x minus 1, minus 2 square root of x minus 1, of course, plus 1, which is 1 squared. And here you see we have created our special product. It's square root of, here, square root of x minus 1 minus 1, of course, squared is equal to 1. And here you see, since this expression is equal to this one, which is a square, we don't need to worry about it. It's a non-negative number. So our condition is just that x is greater than or equal to 1. So from here we have this number is equal to the absolute value of square root of x minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. And we know that the absolute value of y is equal to r, with r a non-negative number, means that y is equal to r, or y is equal to minus r. So here in our equation we will have square root of x minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1, or square root of x minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1, meaning that here we have square root of x minus 1 is equal to, taking minus 1 to the other side will become plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, or square root of x minus 1 is equal to, here taking minus 1 to the other side becomes plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is just 0. And by squaring, we will have square root of x minus 1 squared is equal to 2 squared, or square root of x minus 1 squared is equal to 0 squared. And this, of course, means Square root of x minus 1 squared is just x minus 1 is equal to 2 squared is 4. Or here also x minus 1, square root of x minus 1 squared is equal to, and 0 squared is 0. Now the final step, x is equal to, here taking minus 1 to the other side becomes plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Or minus 1 to the other side becomes plus 1. X is equal to 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Now the final step is to check the condition x greater than or equal to 1. Of course, we have 5 is greater than or equal to 1, and also 1 is greater than or equal to 1, meaning that the solutions of our equation are the two numbers 5 and 1. And this, of course, concludes our problem.